What is going on, guys? Welcome back to your 17th C++ tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be covering something called the if-else statement. Now let's go ahead and first I want to build a basic if statement because an if-else statement is pretty much like an enhanced if statement. So let's go ahead and use the knowledge or the information that we learned in the last tutorial and build on it. So let's go ahead and make a simple program. We have a variable called age, and go ahead and set it equal to whatever your age is. Now go ahead and make a basic if statement. Now if you remember from the last tutorial, all an if statement does is it runs a simple test. If that test is true, it runs a bit of code. If that test is false, it doesn't do anything. So let's go ahead and test age. Say if age is greater than 60, let's go ahead and say cout, wow, you are old. So if the user is over 60, let's go ahead and say you are old. And now let's go ahead and end that line, run this program, and see what we get. We get nothing, and that is because I'm 24, so this program does nothing. But you build this program, you show it to your boss, and you're like, hey, where's my raise? And they're like, wow, this program is impressive and all. However, wouldn't it be nice if we could give a message to the user no matter how old they are? What if instead of skipping this if the test is false, let's give him an alternative message like, if anyone's over 60, we're going to tell them they're old. If anyone is under 60, we're going to tell them, hey, get a job. So you're saying, alright, I suppose I could put another if statement and then write age is less than 60, but you know what? That isn't the best way to do things. I'm going to show you guys something called the if-else statement. So the if statement basically ran a simple test, and if that test is true, it ran this bit of code, and if it was false, it did nothing, it skipped it. But now we want to say, alright, else if the test is false, then we want to run this bit of code. So either way, it's going to run a bit of code either way. If it's true, it's going to run this bit of code, and let me just go ahead and copy that. If it's false, it's going to run this bit of code. But let's not put wow you're old for either.